The first thing we're going to do is get ourselves a 14-day free trial for GoHighLevel. To claim your free trial, just scroll down to the description of this video and click the first link that you find there. That link will take you to the correct sign-up page where you can claim your free trial. To start signing up, click on the 14-day free trial button. Then enter your business details and click here to go to step 2. I'll choose the $97 a month starter plan here, and I would recommend choosing that for most people. You can always switch to the unlimited plan at any time during the 14-day free trial. Next, enter your credit card number, agree to GoHighLevel's terms, and click here to start your 14-day free trial. Next, you'll have a short onboarding sequence. Choose a password here, and then click continue. Then, verify your email by entering the code sent to your inbox. Then, do the same thing to confirm your phone number. Next, enter your billing address and click continue. I'll say that I plan to use GoHighLevel as a business owner to manage my business and continue. If you're just using it for your business, then you likely won't resell GoHighLevel. Continue again. And then don't worry too much about what to select for industry, but I'll search for media company and choose that. And continue. For the purposes of the trial, I'll say I don't have any customers yet. As for first focus, I'll select others, and don't worry what you pick because I'll guide you through the functionality within the tutorial. Click continue, and finally, I'll click skip on setting up other tools for the moment. You can earn a $15 credit by joining an onboarding call, but let's go to your account now, and I'll show you the other credit opportunities shortly. After creating your account, you'll land on the Launchpad, which you can see here in the left-hand navigation pane. You can think of the Launchpad as an onboarding to-do list. GoHighLevel gives you some direction on where to start with these items, according to this setup guide here. But don't feel pressure to follow this item by item. I'll walk you through the major functionality of the system, and you can revisit these Launchpad lists afterwards. Before we continue, these are the other credit opportunities that I mentioned. If you want to join the kickoff call here, that will earn you $15. Over the course of this video, we will get $25 for completing at least one of these Launchpad tasks. And then there's a $50 credit incentive to start your plan and join the implementation call. In the top left, you'll see Medix Media as my business name. If we click here, this is what's called a sub-account. You can think of a sub-account in GoHighLevel like a separate profile on Netflix or a streaming service. And you can have up to 3 sub-accounts on the $97 a month plan. One could be for your business, like I have here, and we'll cover that today. And the other 2 could be for other businesses you run, or for helping clients manage their businesses. Each sub-account has its own dashboard, contacts, and campaigns, completely separate from the others. If you click here to switch to agency view, and then sub-accounts on the left, this button right here is how you could create additional ones. For today, let's continue to focus on the primary sub-account that we're using for your business. To do that, click here to switch, and then back to whatever your business is called. Once you're set up, the main dashboard here on the left will give you a quick overview of your business. I'll zoom out briefly so that we can see everything. In the top right, you'll be able to change the dates for the dashboard with this date picker, or you can add dashboards with this button on the top left if you upgrade to a different plan. The default dashboard will give you visibility into your opportunities, your funnels. If we scroll down, you'll see your tasks, and even Google Analytics and Google Ads if you're using those things.